If you want to buy NFTs using Skrill, here is the exact process, including the new wallets and marketplaces that support Skrill or crypto payments. First, open Skrill and switch to crypto section. Make sure your account is allowed to buy crypto in your region. Some countries have restrictions. Now, select the cryptocurrency supported by the NFT marketplace you will use. For example, ETH for OpenSea, Matic or MATIC for Polygon marketplaces, BNB for Binance NFT, Sol for Solana marketplaces. Buy your crypto directly inside Skrill using your balance or card. Next, withdraw the crypto to your Web3 wallet, most commonly MetaMask, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or Binance Wallet. Open your Web3 wallet, copy your wallet address, and paste it into Skrill's withdraw crypto section. Confirm the transfer and wait for the network confirmation. Once your crypto arrives, open your NFT marketplace, connect your wallet, browse the NFT you want, click buy now, and approve the transaction inside your wallet. Skrill acts as your funding source while your Web3 wallet completes that purchase. And that's how to buy NFTs using Skrill, easy and fully compatible with major chains. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.